Are you struggling to land a job despite having all the necessary skills? Get a job faster with a standout professional profile. Welcome to the Synthanalytix Career Guidance Program. We are here to enhance your professional identity. Our services include resume review, professional resume creation, LinkedIn profile creation and optimization, Naukri.com profile creation and optimization, web page portfolio creation and optimization. You can choose any of these services or you can share your custom requirements as well. In the past, we helped hundreds of professionals like you optimize their profiles according to their needs. Nowadays, people possess the skills needed for jobs but still struggle to get hired. The reason can be ineffective resume, lack of activity on LinkedIn or Naukri.com, or the absence of networking skills. Our services solves these issues for you. Your resume will showcase your skills effectively, and your LinkedIn and Naukri.com profiles will attract employers. So, why are you waiting? Join the Synthanalytix Career Guidance Program today by choosing any of our services and take your career to the new heights. If you have any query related to this program, then you can contact us at helpdesk@synthanalytix.in, or you can message us at our WhatsApp number 977 390 6056. Our team will contact you within 24 hours. For more information, check out our website synthanalytix.in, because we are your partners in professional success.